Hey guys, Elite Forex Signals. Just want to give you a quick lesson for drawing out your trend lines and drawing out your support and resistance zones. So it's very important to start on the higher time frames just so you can get a better view and better understanding of what's going on in the market. So you don't want to be just looking at the 15-minute chart because you can miss a lot of key factors. You can miss some key levels and some key zones that you should be watching. So start on the higher time frames and just work your way down. And go from there really, guys. But yeah, jot in your key levels where price is previously respected, and then you can go from there and just sort of jot down to lower time frames. So now we'll go down to the 4 hour. You can see a nice little level formation here, a nice little channel, and then you've got the levels that we're going to put in. This shows us where price could potentially bounce off. You look for different candle formations, and then you could see a rejection formation. So always keep an eye out on the higher time frames, guys, and then you can draw in your support and resistance along with your channels, and you can get a better understanding of how the market could react. And then obviously we'll wait for entry criteria to become on side, and you can also use indicators to give yourself a better understanding of what's going on as well. So yeah, cheers guys, thanks for watching.